best and worst times to make your holiday travel plans, because we have this weekend coming up before Christmas, which is the big holiday there, and then Christmas is on a Sunday, so maybe people traveling that Friday or Saturday too.
Need some good weather too to be on those roads.
Yes.
Oh, you know, the weather looks like it's actually going downhill just in time for the holidays, so that's not good. Maybe you can like leave a little bit early to prepare for the possible wintry weather we could see. We're good over the next few days though, so we have time to prepare for this, and then there's that possibility of some chilly temperatures and even some lowland snow. We're gonna dive into those specifics in a minute, but the next couple of days we are good to go. If you have any yard work to do or you need to go do some Christmas shopping, it's going to be chilly, but we're going to stay dry. We have the possibility of some morning fog that could be freezing fog where those temperatures are below freezing, but that burns off by the afternoon. We're left with partly sunny skies. The pattern starts to change over the weekend, though. We see some colder temperatures move in. It's already cold, but some slightly colder temperatures, and there's that possibility of some lowland snow for Skagit and Whatcom counties. And then we see a better chance for some snow, including here in Seattle, by early to mid next week. We're going to dive into more of those details in a minute, but this evening, any plans, you want the jacket, but we're going to be dry. Those temperatures quickly cool off into the lower 30s, and after midnight, that's when there's that possibility of a little bit of fog that develops in Seattle and in Everett, and some of that could be freezing fog with those temperatures dipping down below freezing, and that's going to be the case pretty much area-wide. Some patchy fog is possible after midnight. So you want to make sure that you are playing it safe on the roadways, any elevated surfaces, bridges, overpasses, even your stairs and your decks. There could be a thin glaze of ice if you see any fog develop. So just keep that in mind tonight. Even colder temperatures for central Washington, where we're going to dip into the teens by tomorrow morning. Afternoon temperatures below average, but not too bad. Lower 40s for Puget Sound with a little bit in the way of mixture of sun and clouds by the afternoon once that fog burns off. Tracking some really cold air, a pocket of cold air near the North Pole that's going to break off and slowly start advancing south over the weekend into early next week, and that's going to position itself over western Washington next week, significantly dropping those temperatures into the 30s for highs. We're going to be a good 10 degrees, in some cases almost 15 degrees below average. We start to see some moisture move in as well. That means there's that possibility of some lowland snow. Still a lot of uncertainty, low confidence forecast, and it's too early for specifics such as accumulations, but we have a broad idea of what's going to happen. Moisture moves in Saturday, possibility late Saturday night into Sunday morning of some lowland snow mixing in with the rain for Skagit and Whatcom counties above 500 feet. That continues into Sunday, but shifts a little farther south, possibly into northern parts of Snohomish County. All rain here in Seattle. That changes though Monday into Tuesday, a better chance for some snow moving into the Seattle metro area, including Everett, Monday night into Tuesday morning. There's the possibility of some light accumulations. We don't know how much just yet, but there's that possibility of that snow continuing into Tuesday, and then some spotty wintry precipitation chances on Wednesday as well. We will continue to fine-tune this forecast over the coming days, but you can see as we work our way into next week, it is going to be cold, and there's that chance for some lowland snow.